Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I'm so glad that you could join us again. If you would like to be a part of our family by the end of this video, feel free to subscribe down below or give us a thumbs up, and we will continue putting out videos. I am doing an unboxing, and this is the video to show you what I got based on the diamond paint-along that we had, the DP paint-along, and we were able to raise some funds for our healing center here in Grand Rapids for refugees. So far, those funds have helped 2 lovely women be able to go to school and back to university and help with their asylum case. And this was also part of that for therapy within the counseling room. And then I will keep you posted on what some of the other money is going to go towards, which, you know, it could be bus passes, it could be food, it could be help with shelter for the weekend. So I will keep you posted on the remaining money, and that's what's just so awesome, is that in real time I'm able to see your money and my money at work, and I just can't thank you enough. So what are we getting into? That's, you know, I'm done with the PSA announcement. We are getting into that I went with the company I always go through. I can never pronounce their name, and my computer's not working right now, so I only have my phone, but I will put the link down below. I've unboxed from them many times before. At first, I was a little disappointed that the box came flat, but then I realized that it actually helps, because it's coming from China, protect in a way. Because if they tried to build the box, then it just gets flattened and destroyed. So by coming flat, it really actually helps, and the box stays maintained. And if I ever wanted to give it as a gift, I can build the box, and then it's good to go, and it's not, you know, flattened. So what I did is, again, like I said, I'll put down below the company, but I have used them many times before, and I love them, and they have really great quality. So I bought 5 kits, but in 3 different styles. This first style is just some actual animals. I don't know if you can, keeps wanting to focus over here. And that's my dark space. So I do promise I am saving up for better lighting and camera angles, so hang in there with me. So these come with, in the past I've gotten a round tray. So this came with a green boat. It's not a pink pen, it's a clear single placer, a small bit of wax, and some baggies. And what I plan on doing is cutting these apart and just having the beads kitted up, and so then my clients can pick them and actually do whichever sticker they want. So these are diamond painting stickers, okay? And I had to get this one because, guys, look, it's a turtle. So there's a turtle, a chick, a raccoon, a lion, a penguin, and a giraffe. Okay, and then it comes with all the colors that you need, and they label it, you know, these are letters, so N, M, L, K, J, I, H, so on and so forth. So these are all the colors that you need for these 6 characters. And then on the sticker is JA1. So you kind of have to, you know, put 2 and 2 together, put them together. They don't give you like a list or an inventory sheet. What I also like about this company, in just a second, is that throughout their labels, usually their colors coincide, because I've gotten stickers before, and so I have them in here, and the numbers and letters match up all across the board. However, that's not the case here, so I'm going to have to be careful, because my L from my previous is like a darker brown, and my M is a gray, where here my L is a light yellow, and my M is like a dark tan. So I won't be able to do that, so I'll have to keep them separate, which is okay, just as long as I know. I was hoping if I bought across the same that it would be the same as it's been in the past. So I have 2 of these, so I won't open the second. It's same. Alright, I have 2 of these as well, so I'll put the second one over. This again, green boat, clear, sparkly, single placer drill, wax, and baggies. And here, oh, so these are actually in a baggie of itself, which is different than the other one I just opened. And like I said, I'll cut these into their own little squares. They did their best not to bend it on the sticker. So I don't know if that's going to affect this sticker, because there's a little bit of a crease and then like a cutout on the back, so we'll see. And then here's, yeah, so this M is blue. So yeah, I'm going to have to kit these up separate. I was hoping not to, but oh well. These are butterflies, beautiful. I think the clients will really enjoy them. These are the beautiful colors. So you've got all these different colors of the rainbow. So nice. Alright, and then this last one is owls. So again, the boat. This one came with a pink pen. Oh, so this one, they're all different. So this one actually is kind of weird. It's in this hang-up packaging. That's okay. So these owls, I wanted to see how they turned out before I bought more owls. And I also wanted to see what the clients liked and didn't like. And if they, depending on what they like and do not like, then I will buy more. And then, yeah, it's crazy how they all came from the same, seller, but they're all packaged slightly differently. And they're the same manufacturer, the box. Yeah, so these are labeled. Yeah, this M is green. So yeah, beautiful colors. And then this E. So I'm super excited to share these with our clients and see how they do. I'll give you an update on how it went. But like I said, I plan on cutting these apart so there's only one sticker per, and then I'll kit these up probably in little baggies and stick, like what I'll do is probably cut these up, stick them in a sandwich bag, and then stick these in little, baggies that you get and label those and stick that in the sandwich bag with the appropriate sticker. Because it's not like I need to keep track of the DMC or anything like that. So the drills are all round and they give you everything that you need. and the sticker itself is really sticky. And yeah, so I'm really excited. I know this is a trend that I've seen a lot of YouTube people, creators have, but I've just really been in love with these stickers for quite some time. I'm going to put my first sticker video ever up here in the corner. Let you check it out. That one has the actual, I think, review and stars and everything like that. If it doesn't, at least it has you my first impression of the stickers themselves as stickers come. But I've just fell in love with them. I think they're great. My daughter loves them. She's 11, and I've started decorating some of. Now, I will say, you know, it might not be the best to stick on your iPhone or on a smartphone. This little guy has been fine. These two guys are missing a black because I have something that goes on and off this at all times. They're missing a couple 310s or blacks. But, you know, what can you do? It's a 3D type sticker. I think it's fun. I did that at work as well. I did the superhero ones at work as a just kind of a breathing, hey, we've had a really busy week, and that, I mean, all the coworkers really liked it. And now it's kind of fun to see them all over the different cubes. And so yeah, so join the fun and the trend and come sticker along with me. They come in fruits and princesses and superheroes and butterflies and you name it. I've got a couple of videos on them, and I can't wait to see my clients enjoy them and figure things out. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Talk to you later.